How's it going, everyone? In today's video, let's talk about the best row Excel settings for Overwatch. So the first thing that you want to do, basically, you want to set your mode to linear. And then the first thing that we have to add it is the acceleration. So it's going to be this one. You want to start with 0.03, which is going to be the default one, but you could test around 0.02 and 0.04. In my case, I'm choosing the 0.03 right here. So for the cap, you want to go ahead and put this at 1.3 or 1.5. Once again, I'm using the default one, which is 1.4. For the input offset, you want to place it at 0. And the sense multiplier, you could just go ahead and use 1 to make sure that it doesn't mess up with your actual sensitivity. Now, I'll basically explain why this works. We have the low ACCEL. Basically, it's smooth for tracking. It's huge for Overwatch. For the moderate cap, it's faster turns for flick heroes, and it keeps micro adjustments consistent. So you could just use this for similar application, but generally this is the best settings that you could use. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.